Hey guys, this video is on how to operate your Japanese Aqua brand steam dryer. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, take my clothes from the washer, throw them in there. Okay, right here, this is the power button. And this is the start or pause. Now up here is your steam drying options. And I'll tell you what these mean. So right now I've got it on standard. So that's standard, and then you have thick up here, and then this is for blankets and futons, and then this one here is a 36-minute cycle and then 60. So this is a little bit dry, they call it, you know, whatever, gauge how much load you got in there. 36 and 60 minutes. And then this here is high temp drying. So for regular clothes, I just use the standard option. Now moving over here, what is this? Okay, they actually call that pollen collection, and then this is a sweater or blouse, and you can operate all this with this button here. So again, I go with standard, but something else, just this one button here. Pollen collection, sweater or blouse, and it even brings you over here, right? Because this is actually operated with this button. I'll explain what this means in a second. Let's go back to standard, and then so we got this covered here. Let's go through this. This is your progress display. So this is about 10 minutes left, and then this one is finished right here, and then this is filter clogging. The filters in there needs to be get the lint out. All right, ready to go. Watching.